with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
So here's the setup on the west coast. We have an area of low pressure offshore, and that counterclockwise flow bringing up plenty of monsoonal moisture. It is muggy out there. Dew points in the Rogue Valley are in the 60s, and that's pretty rare for this part of the country. And that's helping fuel these thunderstorms, as well as that area of low pressure sparking them. And we're going to see more rounds of storms, not only into tonight, but then another round tomorrow. It does look like as we head towards the middle of the week, Wednesday, we'll just only have a few stray thunderstorms possible for the east side popping up. But at least we are getting some pretty beneficial rain with some of these showers and storms, some heavier downpours. That's great news, but it's also coming with some lightning, these showers and storms. Let's take a look at a cluster of storms we've been tracking now rolling through the Summer Lake area, seeing plenty of flashes. Some of these storms will also be capable of some gusty winds and maybe some small hail. Heading back to the south and west, just some steadier rain working into the Rogue Valley, also just to the west of Wairika. And the good news here is this steady rain is working right over the McKinney fire. I've highlighted it here in red, the Alex fire just off to the north and west. And we got some moderate rainfall pushing through right now. Without lightning, that's some good news. But there is the threat for more thunderstorms, even on the west side, as we head into tonight and tomorrow. A red flag warning for much of our region, all shaded in red here, continues through 11 p.m. tomorrow. So more rounds of storms and abundant lightning could spark some new wildfires, and also gusty winds don't help anything either. But the good news is at least these storms today as well as tomorrow will be on the wetter side. So we will see some heavier downpours. Maybe if some of the storms kind of sit over the same areas or move slow enough, we could see some ponding on some roads. But nothing severe is expected with these storms, but we could get some wind gusts up to maybe 40, 50 miles per hour and some smaller hail with some of these thunderstorms here tonight and then also tomorrow. When it comes to temperatures, definitely the clouds and rain having an impact. Storms in Lakeview, that's cooled things down quite a bit. We were in the 90s last hour, 83 now. It's 88 in Medford, 95 in Grants Pass, and 63 for you folks currently in Brookings. When it comes to air quality, not too bad in the Rogue Valley, just moderate but unhealthy for Wairika, Klamath Falls, and Tule Lake. I do expect more smoke to filter into the Rogue Valley overnight tonight. We're going to continue to see impacts for air quality as we head through the rest of the week. Tonight, expect more rounds of storms to push through southern Oregon and northern California. Very mild tonight as well, only down to 71 in Medford. Tomorrow, like today, not too terribly hot, 80s and 90s for highs. We'll see a bit of a lull in the action with storms, and then more storms will develop tomorrow afternoon. Here's Stormcast. Pretty stormy for the east side into this evening, but notice overnight you could get woken up in Medford and the Rogue Valley, as we'll see likely some more clusters of storms pushing through southern Oregon and northern California. Some of that wet weather lingers a little bit into tomorrow. There's a bit of a lull, but it's not long lasting as more rounds of storms push through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. And then notice the forecast trending drier as we head through the rest of the week. We may just need to watch Wednesday and Friday for just some slight and few and far between thunderstorms in the region. For the coast, we'll look for marine layer clouds and fog the next couple of days, mixed with some sun in the afternoon, highs in the 60s through midweek. Northern California, we'll be looking at more rounds of thunderstorms tonight into tomorrow. Notice temperatures will likely get impacted by the smoke, but still seeing highs likely climbing into the 90s. The basin, more rounds of storms tonight into tomorrow. We are concerned about new fire starts with all the lightning, but the good news is at least these storms are producing rain. Stormy for the mountains tomorrow, and then trending a bit quieter, just dealing with smoke through the middle and later portions of this week. And then in the Rogue Valley, we'll also see the threat for storms tonight and tomorrow. Temperatures, though, heating back up again, could push 100 degrees by the start of this weekend on Saturday.
Well, those lightning strikes certainly get our attention, as they do firefighters as well.
Yes, yes.
Well, thank you, Matt.